how to connect Cash App to Stash. So it's super simple. All you have to do is click on your profile in the top right corner, then go to the linked banks section and select it. Now from here, we have to click on link debit card, but instead of writing our debit card info, we have to select this option called no card. It will instead give us an option to link our bank account through Plaid. So click on continue. And right here, the very last option is for Stash. So we want to select Stash. And it will tell us that we have to write our Stash credentials right here. So our email and password. And then if we click on submit, it will take us through the authentication, the auto authentication process. So that way our Cash App and Stash accounts will be linked or connected. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.